Okay, guys, what happened to me is I'm shooting my 686 357 Magnum, and I had some old rounds that I haven't used since last year. This I know steel casing, Tula 110 green full metal jacket, and I have a few rounds left of this stuff that I found since last year. I normally use the Monarch. I normally use the Winchester 110 grain. Uh, Never really had a problem with this rounds. I use them with my lever gun as well. Um, but I have a few rounds left of Tula, and I figured, okay, the revolver should be able to handle it. But still expands, as we all know, and they got stuck. Um, and I wanted to bring this out and shoot it today because I haven't brought it out in a while since I, got my BP9 and my AR-15 from Savage. But I'm gonna give it another go. And try to redo this video. Well, not redo it. I got another video doing some more shooting. I'll probably post that up too. And this is all ammo purchased from me. So, and I usually like to go. Then this is Winchester 110. I realized you guys couldn't get a better view of the shot, so let me readjust the camera here to the corner so you can actually see the gun and not just me talking. I apologize for that, but Winchester went off without a hitch, went off bang, and I think I'm just gonna have to dispose of this rounds, the Tula ammo. They ain't gonna be no good, and I definitely don't want to go through the struggle. Here, let me load 7 more, and we'll give it another go. And single action is real smooth in this thing, but the double action is heavy. And I'm gonna demonstrate. Let's see if I can demonstrate this. Let me back up a little bit. That was 2 shots, single action, and let me do one-handed so you see if I can demonstrate. Now I think that this one's gonna be double action. Now, did I fire 6 or did I fire 7? Let me see. Click. Yeah, and this is my first revolver. I remember when I first started shooting, which it was not too long ago. Got into guns about 3 years ago now. You know, I never really had a thing against revolvers. I just always thought they were bulky and heavy and low capacity. You know, but my dad, he grew up in those times where revolvers never jam. If you want something cool, if you want a man's gun, get a revolver. And until I found the 686, you know, Smith & Wesson with 7 rounds, I knew that this one was the one that I had to have. And I always thought, you know, I had an open mind to it, but I was like paying $900, almost $900 for a revolver, depending what brand it is, for 6 shots. It was a little bit on the steep side at first, but then I got it, and I realized that, you know, they're fun, and I love this thing. You know, I got it for my 31st birthday. No, for my 30th birthday. I'm 31 now, my bad. And I love this thing, and haven't brought it out in a while, and I apologize. But I did some changes to it. I got a whole grip, high bid sight right there, and yes, I know, but it's pointed down range. I'm gonna do another 7 shots, 110 grain, Winchester. And this is the first one is gonna be single action. Now, double action. Oh, hold on. There we go. I don't know what happened there. Let's go double, single action again. Click. But as you can see, this is brass ammo, and the Tula that I was shooting was a steel case. And like I said, I never shoot this stuff ever since I had problems with it. I put it away, and I forgot I had it until I found it in my ammo box. And I figured, okay, the revolver should be able to handle it just fine. And it fired 7 rounds of it. And then it started, I guess, getting stuck in the cylinder. And I guess, no surprise, steel expands. And I guess brass does too. It's just, exit out smoother. Like I said, I like it. I try to keep it clean and polished. And as you can see, let's see if you can see the cylinder right here, how dirty it gets, from the Tula ammo. I mean, it gets real dirty. So I'm gonna have to spend some time cleaning this. And it's not like a, you know, semi-automatic, or it's not like my BP9 or you know, Henry rifles where I have, you know, just one bore and one barrel to clean. I have this one. I have 8, you know, ports to clean here. The cylinder plus the barrel, so it takes me a while. And plus I use Mother's Polish to polish this up every time I clean it. So yeah, that's gonna take me some time. But I'm gonna do 7 more for you guys. And like I said, double action is heavy, so yeah, 7 rounds of Winchester, 110 grain, you know, hollow point, white box. I mean, and like I said, anybody can shoot this, you know, if you want to teach, you know, your daughter, you know, wife, you can put 38 specials in here, and you know, it'll be real easy, no recoil, and you know, like I said on my last video, you know, great teachable gun. You know, you can teach anybody to shoot with a revolver. And you know, like I said, I was first kind of skeptical about it, but you know, since I got it, I love this thing, and you know, I figured it deserved to be out again on the range. You know, but I got another video coming for you guys now that I'm here. You know, I don't get to come very often, but now that I'm here, I'm gonna try to do another one and post it for you guys. So bear with me, and it's unloaded, safe. And like I said, I did get the high vis front sight, whole grips, and I use Mother's Polish to polish this up. I got a good hour and a half cleaning ahead of me, but that's my second. I enjoy to do that as well. You know, very much as I enjoy shooting, cleaning the gun. You know, it's my it relaxes me. So definitely looking forward to that. But like I said, I have another video coming. And you know what? For giggles and fun, this was 110 hollow points from Winchester. This was 110 Full Metal Jacket steel casing. And for I don't do it often, but for you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do one more. But this time, if I can remember, these are 158 hollow points, and I think this is for Monarch. And yeah, this one should do a little bit of kicking. And I'm gonna go ahead and do 7 for you guys. So let's see. And I haven't shot these in a while. 158 grain hollow points, and I think this, if I can remember, this were from Monarch as well. So bear with me. So you can notice the recoil. Like I said, 38, no recoil at all. This were, single action is real smooth, and but you can definitely notice the recoil from single. The difference recoil between single and double action. But let's see. Ooh. Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna do 3 single action. And 4, well, let's make it 4 single action. Now this is single action, but one-handed, and this is a 158 hollow points. I shook the whole table. Now 1 double action. As it's real heavy, and boom. So I shot 3 different kinds of MOs in this baby today. The first ones was Full Metal Jacket, steel case ammo from Tula, which it shot 7 perfectly fine, but it got stuck in the cylinder after trying to inject it. So like I said, gonna get rid of those rounds. And then 357 Magnum Winchester, 110 hollow points, and 7 of these, which are Monarch. If I can remember, I think they're Monarch 158 grain hollow points. And so you guys can see the difference between the Winchester white box and the Monarch 158 grain. Look at the difference in the tip. And I normally shoot these in my Henry rifle. But I did 7 for you guys today because I was like, you know what, might as well try to get rid of some of this ammo. And I did get rid of some. But like I said, anybody can learn to shoot in one of these. Your girlfriend, your sister, your daughter, whichever. Put some 38 specials in here. Real smooth. And but the double action is heavy. But I definitely love this gun. I just thought it deserves to be brought out. Have a good one. And in the words of Mr. Hickok 45, which it's a good day. And anytime you have this baby out, 686 plus with 7 rounds, it's a good day for you. Could be a bad day for someone else. So take care.